Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial. Today I will show you how to create or to manage the event of animations or animation event in the PowerPoint. Here for example, you can see that the three planes here. When I click the first plane will fly, and the seconds after that the two planes fly together. Okay, let me see how to create it. Okay, the first, maybe I want to click a new file here, click a blank presentations, and use the in home menu layout and blank. So I want to find the image. I will using the web services flaticon.com and use the keyword plane. So I want to click here. This is the traveling free icon. Just click and click by SVG formats, free downloads. Okay, don't forget copy link if you want to use attribution, and this name traveling.svg. Okay, and I want to insert here picture, this device, download and traveling. Insert it. Okay, I will scale it first to okay, small one, and I want to rotate it. You can choose the click, and by clicking and hold your shift key. Okay, and I will scale again. I think that's okay. That's enough. And the background, I will change the right click, new format background, and using the solid color here. More color, I want to using the light blue. That's okay. So this picture, I want to choose the shape effect shadow with the button right, and I copy it by click and hold the Ctrl key and drag it. Okay, you can release the click and click and drag by pressing Ctrl key and release it your click. Okay, now I have three planes here that I want to create the animate. Okay, first I want to create the animation of the three planes here. So I will click the first plane here, and you hold the shift key, click the second plane and the third plane here, and click the animation menus and choose the more animation here. We will choose the more motion path here, and choose on the change motion path panel the animation right. You can click this one, and okay, you see that the start with the green dot here and the end in the red one. You just click here and put here again and put here. You can press shift key to hold to make a straight line here. Okay, now you can see that a three object with planes with the animation or motion path right. So we can test here. Click here, slideshow. Just click it. So the three planes working together play. Okay. Now see how to change, how to manage, how to control the animation event. Okay, when you click the first plane here in animation and animation pane, you see that the start here automatically start with the unclick. So PowerPoint has a three type of event of animation to start: unclick, with previous, and after previous. Unclick is the when animation will run. The animation will run if you click the object. When you click the object. And the second one is the with previous. It's together with the top of animation. And this is the last one. We choose the after previous. If you see the animation pane here, there are three different icons of the indication that animation here. Okay, the click indicate with the mouse click. Okay, the with previous is none, so no icon here, and after previous show by icon clock here. So this is by click, this is by together with the click. Okay, and this one after the two planes will be animate. Okay, we can see the platform or the click here. Alright, when I click here, the two of the planes were running. After that, the third will be fly. Okay, perhaps this is too fast to play, so I click again here the object, and I make sure the duration change to the 5 seconds here. Okay, and then click. Okay, there are no play before you click. Just click and two object running, and after that automatically after previous here. So the first time click and with previous is together run, and after that after previous automatically play. And when I change in the previous with previous, I change to below the after previous. You see that the click after and the with together with the after previous animation. Okay, just click. There's only one plane, and after that is the second and third together, because the with previous and the after previous running but together to play the animations. Okay, that's it. So easy to find or to control or to manage your animation event in PowerPoint with the on-click, with previous and after previous. Okay, have a nice try and see you for the next tutorial. Thank you.